Hi, good evening, guys. My name is Dhruti, and recently I got placed in a very good company with a good package. And I had taken a course in Tech Sarvam. After that, I had gone through special support also. These both are helped me a lot to crack the interview. While doing the course, I used to listen the recordings twice because Selenium and TestNG both are very new to me. And parallelly, I practiced some test cases which are given by sir, and that are helped me a lot. And sir notes are more than enough, you guys, for the preparation and learning purpose. They mention clearly everything, how to download and how to install, and the procedure. And comes to the special support. They had explained us how to prepare for the interview, how to answer for the interview, and comes to these topics like which are the things we need to cover, uh, and which are the things we need to focus on more. These things are carried out. Everything will be taken care by the sir, and he explained us uh, in a very clean and neat way, so that we are able to crack the interview. And that Java related stuffs are which are sir discussed, no, that are more than enough for the interviews. And uh, like parallelly, we prepared handy notes. While I going to the interview, I just gone through that handy notes, which are more sufficient to answer the Java related things. And like they provide us some mock interviews also. That is taken care by ma'am. She guided us like from starting like how to talk with the HR till interview finished, till the offer letter in our hand. That much she supported us, and finally we are in IT. Uh, yes, this is and the we like known, like I had to attend like more than 15 interviews I had attended. Finally, I got placed in a good company. So sometimes you think that which are irrelevant to us, like just gone through it, and like learning the new things is just investment to your career. That's it. And this is the thing. Yeah. My passed out year is 2017, and Bachelor of Engineering in the stream of Computer Science. I haven't worked anywhere. This is my first job. Still, there is no project assigned to me. Like Katie is where going. Once the project is assigned, like the office, like the new tools they were introduced. But I'm starting learning mobile automation also now. So this may be helpful for me next. Yeah, thank you so much. So Savitri, have you got job support? Um, like these courses and special support which I taken by sir, and we prepared for the interviews, and everything will be taken care by ma'am and sir. Don't worry about that. You need to prepare, put a practice more and put a hard work. That's it. Yeah, sure. Like special support, like concept explanation and how to answer and what to What to read, that will be taken care by sir. And project explanation, framework explanation, everything will be taken care by sir. And ma'am will take care of mock interviews, multiple mock interviews to boost our confidence level. And after that, they will send us for the interview. Throughout our journey, they will give us support. Don't worry about that. How to talk with the HR, and how to tackle the irrelevant questions. Everything will be taken care by ma'am and sir. Don't worry about that. Once your profile is prepared, ma'am will connect with you in every week. They will arrange a sync up call. What are the things going on? How many interviews you were attended? What is the status? Everything she will be taken care. Don't worry about that. You just practice more and concentrate on the topics and confidence. That's it. For this current company, I faced three rounds, two technical and one is HR round. Java questions is nothing but like OOPS concepts and yeah, programs. In interview, 50% weightage will be programs. Don't neglect the programs, guys, because sometimes if your answer is not up to the mark, if you execute the program, definitely they will consider you. At least try to solve without apply some logic and explain them if you are unable to execute the program, so that they will consider you. And comes to manual questions, like they were asked some scenario based. For example, when you will do regression testing, and what you will do, what your approach when the bug is raised on production, when it is caught in production, and some test cases. These are things, and STLC, bug report, how you'll do bug reporting, these things. See, Netra, coding preparation is nothing but practice itself. Around I practiced around 60 to 70 programs, like arrays, strings, and string toggle, first repeating character, non-repeating characters, and arrays second minimum, second maximum. These are the, if you Google it, you can get n number of coding programs. And arrays and strings, these are most common coding questions. Only you need to at least to spend 3 hours per day for coding itself, because its weightage is more, coding and scripting. Yeah, I have attended more than 15 interviews. Yeah, I have attended 15 plus interview, guys. Like one or two interview I got cracked, but they told that the position is on hold. So